Hello, friends. Your favorite CEO, Dan Merkin here. And I wanted to show you that I get into bigger positions by first starting small. And here's how I do it. I have another account, and you've seen me post videos on this on Twitter where I'm trading from the charts. And this is how I'm doing today. Total up 8%. But look at this. My winning percentage is at 89%. 9 open positions, ridiculous profit factor. And these are things that you've seen me do. Okay, data, I'm in this one at $8.07. Um, and I have my stop at, let's see here, 12.27 for a 2,500 gain, but it's still moving in my direction. So this is how I do it. And this is where I scout out bigger positions. And this is an account called Chart Trading, and I'm using Brokerage Plus to do all of this the best way to interact with the stock market. Come visit Trade Ideas and subscribe. Thank you.